Now, a seventh murder charge just dropped against Stockton's accused serial killer. Wesley Brownlee was initially charged with the crime spree in Stockton and Oakland from 2021 and 22.
Here's the list of the 7 people who were killed. Paul Alexander Yaw, Salvador William Debuti Jr., Jonathan Rodriguez, Juan Cruz, Lorenzo Lopez, Juan Alexander Vasquez, and Mervyn Harmon. A Stockton woman was shot and survived. KCRA 3's Anahita Jafari explains why he is no longer facing charges in one of those killings.
Wesley Brownlee's name echoes across communities in Northern California, and after years of waiting, there's finally some movement in this high-profile case. Brownlee was arrested in October of 2022 in connection with 7 deadly attacks and an 8th victim who survived. Among those filing into court today was the only surviving victim, Natasha Latour. Latour was allegedly shot by Brownlee 10 times.
On the matter of the people versus Wesley Brownlee.
Earlier today, the district attorney's office announcing the grand jury indictment will move forward with 6 murder charges.
Juan Vasquez Serrano, Paul Yaw, Salvador Debuti, Jonathan Hernandez Rodriguez, Juan Carlos Carranza Cruz, Lawrence Lopez,
and 1 attempted murder charge.
And fights for the recovery of survivor Natasha Latour.
The indictment also includes 2 weapons-related charges. Brownlee has pleaded not guilty to all charges.
We're asking the court to not seal the indictment and that the indictment be open to the public.
We did litigate defense's request to seal the indictment, which the court denied.
Originally, there were 7 murder charges, but the DA left out Mervyn Harmon, who was killed in Alameda County.
What happens with the 7th victim not mentioned? Does that become a new case, or is there somebody that killed that person that's still roaming free?
You know, that was part of a tactical decision. There will be more information at that at a later date.
Brownlee was in court this afternoon for the first time in months. He was silent with his head down the entire time. A motive for the attacks remains unclear.
This case has been going on too long, and my office set in motion this indictment and these grand jury proceedings to expedite the justice for our victims and in our community.
If convicted of all charges linked to the deadly attacks, Brownlee could fall under a serial killer classification, which could potentially lead to the death penalty. His next court date is set for January 26, 2026. In San Joaquin County, I'm Anahita Jafari, KCRA 3 News.
Governor Gavin Newsom issued a moratorium on executions here in California. KCRA 3 asked the DA about that, and he said their mission remains to seek the death penalty.